Good afternoon. I'm going to show you today how to use QS Plus's bending schedule. It's on the build production ribbon under the utilities group, and there it is, bending schedules. You click that, select the contract that you're working in, which is generally the principal contract, select the section, and I have already added in a reference from the bending schedule, the number of those references, the number of bars on each, and the diameter of the steel, which you get by selecting the drop down, and the length of the steel. And so you would carry on and choose now some Y bars, Y20, and they are 6 meters long. And so you would carry on. Unfortunately, I did not put in so you would add in your all the items on the bending schedule, and then create a new bending schedule, and this is schedule number 2, same QS reference. We're dealing still with straight, and you still now got 202 maybe, and there's one off. Number of bars in there are 5 bars, and they are Y20, and they are 6 meters long. So you would go through all your bending schedules produced by the engineer and fill them in on these sheets, and then at the end you print the summary, and it will total up all the Y20s, the Y12s, and the diameters. So that's high tensile, and this is mild steel here. Obviously the high tensile is the Y's, and the R's are that. So then just print that out for reference, and then you can close that and go to, and close that and go to the build data sheet, to the concrete reinforcement, where I have selected mild steel, and now I need to select high tensile steel, and I have got high tensile, I've got 12, and I've got 20. And hide that, and you'll see now that you have the mild and the high steel, and I've put in the original rather slim, so I'm just going to put in here so when you've divided by the 1,000 you get 4 tons, which you'll see there. And the same thing when we go to our 12 millimeter high tensile steel, we took off 0.009, but I'm going to also put in 1,000 here, so that when you divide by the kilograms by 1,000 here, you get 2 tons. So that's basically how one uses the bending schedules. I hope that you found that enlightening, albeit a bit bumpy, but I'm sure it will help you on your way.